Hey guys, yeah, welcome back to the den. Titan says hello. So, I was sent this little guy. Come on, camera, focus, focus. Raiseek pistol cleaning kit, and I had it a couple days. I cleaned a BB gun with it, and I cleaned a pellet gun. Then I sent it off to a friend. Then he sent it off to another friend. So it's actually cleaned a total of 27 weapons. And that gives it a pretty good review or usage record. And see if I can get this to focus better. Everything looks brand new still. I mean, it doesn't even look like it's been used. And for me, that's pretty important, because it means I'm going to get a long life usage out of it. On that one, you can see it's a little bent right there at the tip, but you know, for the most part, everything's still fine. I mean, all the brushes are still there. They're not loose. They're not wiggling. Which in some cheap quality kits, you'll get that, or after they bent like that, they just fall right out. Titan says it's in my way, so let's just give her some more room. Oh, now she wants to play with it. Comes with a T-handle. Inserts in there pretty nice. Come on, camera. There you go. Nice solid. Looks like it's compressed fit because the material is actually around the edge here instead of a hole pushed in. It's a good press fit. Comes with a little wiggle cable, which Titan already decided she wanted to play with. She says that works for her too. Couple extension rods. They got a nice solid feel to them. They're not sloppy. When they're you know, I can't even talk tonight. When it's assembled, there's no wiggle to it, so you don't have to worry about it scraping up the blade. There's no overlapping edges here. Blade. Wow. What am I talking about? Barrel. There we go. So you put this thing together. All your edges are nice and smooth. There's no overlapping anywhere. So you shouldn't have to worry about anything scratching the inside of your barrel. Unless of course you're really going kitty wonkus on this with this end. Comes with a good assortment of pads. You got a brush for doing the outside. And of course you got your little inserts here for your different size barrels. You got your cleaning swab brushes, or holders. All in all, and I don't remember the exact price, I will have to list that down below, because I have to go find the link again. But for the price, I actually think it's a pretty decent kit. I mean, you even get a dental pick. Ah! Knocked myself over. Dental pick has a nice flat end here. There we go, camera. You see it's got a nice little flat end, and of course you got your little booger picker at this end. Of course, I don't recommend it using that end. Might kind of leave a marker 3. There goes Titan. She says, "I want to play with it, Dad." So I really can't complain. The kit turned out to be really nice. I wasn't expecting a whole lot. The brushes held up great. Ouch, here's your, that'll work for a 223 even. Of course you're going to need more rods, but you know. Excuse me. But for I think it's less than 20 bucks. Or is it 12? I think it was like 12 bucks actually. Total cost is like 12 bucks for it, you know, depending on if you have Amazon Prime or not. If you don't have Prime, you'll have a little bit in shipping. If you do have Prime, it's like 12 bucks. Like I said, I'll put the link down below. It's just a short little video because it's a small, tiny little kit. And so she's going to clean herself while on camera. Cats. Gotta love them. Yeah. She's looking a lot better now. She's putting on some weight. She's getting to be a fat old kitty. Her face looks so much better after somebody kicked her. So anyway, this kit I would recommend if you got pistols. And this thing doesn't weigh much even with everything in here. This is light and small enough to put into a bug out kit. And because maintaining your firearms in an SHTF, grid down, Tetawaki, whatever you want to call it, being able to maintain your weapons in such an event is going to be key to having said weapon when you need it. And Titan says, I want to play, Dad. So, Raiseek, I probably butchered the name, and I'm sorry guys, because they're watching. But they are sending a couple more items, I do believe. And as soon as those get here, we will do those. And we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks. See you later.